Hey Brain Warriors. So one of the questions I have for this week is how to have a healthy holiday because it's challenging. For those of you who want to be healthy during the holidays, you walk into the lion's den, so to speak, when you go to these holiday parties and they're just loaded with alcohol and sugar and fatty foods and things that you're trying to avoid. So just FYI, you can enter yourself into a drawing to win a copy of my cookbook, the Brain Warriors Way cookbook, simply by going to tanaamen.com. Leave me a comment or a question in the comment page, in the comment section, and I have an entire section in this cookbook on how to have a healthy holiday. You can also go to my website, that same website, tanaamen.com, and there's all kinds of healthy holiday recipes that you can use if you're having holidays at your house. But one of the strategies I use is I actually take a couple things with me. If I'm going somewhere where I know there's not going to be a lot of healthy stuff, then I take a couple things with me because it serves as two things. And number one, it gives me something to eat, and number two, it gives me a way to set an example. So it's twofold strategy that I use. The other thing is, if you are tempted, get up and distract yourself. Use a pattern interrupt. Get up, go for a walk outside, make a phone call, do something. Drink a big glass of water, but do something to interrupt your pattern at the moment. And the third thing is, if you know you're gonna have, let's just say it's a tradition. Someone in your family makes, once a year, they make this very special dessert, and you know you're gonna have some, tell yourself in advance, really set yourself up for it. It's a 3-bite rule. You don't need to eat more than that to get the enjoyment and the pleasure and then end it. More than that will trigger the inflammation, will trigger the addictive quality of that food. Less than that, you're fine. Like 3 bites or less, it's not really gonna do that. You'll enjoy it and you move on. And then get up from the table and walk away so you're not tempted. We say make one decision, not 30. Make one decision to walk away, not 30 decisions to sit there and flirt with it, right? To try and tell yourself, I'm not gonna do it. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. That's really hard. So if you wanna win that cookbook, enter yourself into the drawing, go to tanaamen.com. Please share this if it's helpful to you, and make sure that you tap the bell and you'll be notified when I have more episodes come out, and make sure to tag me. Thanks for your questions. Love answering them.